Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So, today we will continue our chapter number 3, India, our country. Let's begin. The Great Indian Desert. A desert is a large area of a land covered with the sand. The Great Indian Desert is also known as the Thar Desert. It lies in the northwestern part of India in the state of Rajasthan. The climate remains hot and dry during summer. It is very cold in winter. People generally do not like to live in a desert due to harsh climate condition. Most deserts have little vegetation as they receive very little rainfall. Few plants like the cactus and the thorny trees are able to grow in desert. Camels are used for transport in the Thar Desert. Camels are called the ships of desert. The Southern Plateau. The southern part of India is a plateau. A plateau is a raised land with steep sides and flat top. The Southern Plateau or the Deccan Plateau is located between the eastern coastal plains and the western coastal plains. The land is uneven, hard and rocky here. For this reason, the Southern Plateau region is less fertile than the northern plain but is rich in minerals. Thick forest can be found in some part of the plateau. The climate of the southern plateau is neither too hot nor too cold. River that flow through the southern plateau depends upon rainfall. The most of region get less rainfall. Mountains are located on the east and west side of the southern plateau. They are the eastern and the western Ghats. The coastal plains. The plains along the east coast and the west coast of India are called the eastern and the western coastal plains. The eastern coastal plains and the western coastal plains meet at Kanyakumari. The eastern coastal plains are broad than the western coastal plains. The climate is neither too hot nor too cold in this region. Narmada, Tapi, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and the Kaveri are the rivers that flow through these plains. Southern part of India is called the Indian Peninsula. A peninsula is a piece of land surrounded by the water bodies on three sides. The India Peninsula is surrounded by the Arabian Sea of the west, Bay of Bengal of the east, and Indian Ocean in the south. The islands. An island is a piece of land surrounded by the water on all the sides. The Andaman and the Nicobar Island lie in the Bay of Bengal. The Lakshadweep Island lie in the Arabian Sea. The Andaman Islands are the group of 200 small islands. So kids, today we have completed our lesson number 3, India, our country. I hope all the topics are clear to you. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay at home.